Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. So today's date is Tuesday 1st December 2020. Subject English Literature, textbook read now. And you know the topic, which is Lighthouse poem, and it is on page number 107 of read now. Today we will do word meaning of this chapter, and you will make word sentences from the words of words meaning. So now let's start writing. Okay, first of all we will mention classwork, and after that date, which is 1, 12, and 20. But when you are writing on your copies, you will write Tuesday 1st December 2020. Exercise number 1, write down the meanings. Number 1 word is reef. What is a reef? I already explained during the reading. A sharp rock near the surface. Second word is trim. Trim, to make something neat or of required size. To cut, also obviously you know that. Number third word is whispering, to speak in low voice in air. Fourth word, straight, not bend. This pencil, as you can see, it's straight. Okay. The next word is stretched. What is the next word? Stretched, to become wider. So beta, this was our work for today. You will make word sentences. As you can see, it is mentioned here, word sentences will be made with the words of words meaning. After that we will do main idea or theme of this poem. So till our next period, take care. Allah Hafiz.